I remember when I went to college and realized that I sweat a lot more than the other girls that I lived with, and it changed completely how I would dress, first of all. But then, during that time in your life, you're going out and you're dancing, and I remember getting pictures back and being like, oh my gosh, I can't believe that I have these sweat rings in these pictures, and it it was embarrassing. It made me really self-conscious, and that's difficult when you're a teenager growing up. MiraDry was really interesting to me because it was non-invasive, first of all, and then second of all, it seemed like a long-lasting treatment. You could have 2 sessions and then for the most part get rid of a lot of that sweating without having to do it every 6 months. There was less sweating right away with the miraDry treatment. It seemed like after 2 treatments, that was it. It's really freeing from just being able to wear what I want, and then also from a self-confidence standpoint. I think that this is a great option to really give yourself some freedom and just take care of it.